रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं. How can I not say? I mean, come on. We are City 1016, the UAE's #1 Bollywood music station, and celebrating daddies. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there and to all the daddy cools in the studio. We are now interviewing all the dads of the station. City 1016 के असली बाप पाजी सिद्धार्थ वोरा कैसे हैं आप?
बहुत अच्छे जी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग
हैप्पी
अस.
फादर्स डे.
आपको भी. आपका पहला फादर्स डे.
हाँ ना, मेरा पहला फादर्स डे.
मुबारक हो
थैंक
जी,
यू थैंक यू
मुबारक हो,
थैंक यू
मुबारक
थैंक
हो,
यू थैंक यू थैंक यू वेरी
congratulations.
मच.
हाँ हाँ
आपकी गिनती पे आएंगे.
हाँ जी.
एंड टू वरुण एज वेल, अ वेरी हैप्पी फादर्स डे टू यू. How has the journey been, both of you? Because you are a father of 2 daughters.
Yes.
You are a father of 2 sons.
हाँ जी.
I know it's been different, but let's start with Varun.
हाँ.
Being a father of 2 daughters, I know you can't compare,
Yeah.
but how has your journey been?
So for me, it's also very special because it's me and my brother in the family.
Hmm.
So I never grew up with, like, of course I have cousins,
Hmm.
but एक होता है ना कि
लड़कियों के साथ बड़े नहीं हुए,
हाँ,
बहन के साथ
बहन
बड़े.
के साथ बड़ा नहीं हुआ हूँ
Yeah.
मैं. So when I had my first daughter and 4 years down the line when I had the second one, and the way the bonding that I see between them, I want to give them the same kind of bonding that me and my brother share.
Okay.
But with girls, it's absolutely different. The one good thing about having daughters in the family for a father is the way your daughters can love you. They can come and cuddle you, hug you. You can go all huggy, kissy, and all of that.
Yeah.
I think that's something that you can only do with girls and daughters. And the way they love you back is just crazy. I cannot put in words how it feels when I first, that moment जब मेरे को पता चला that I'm now a dad and I have a daughter. I'm sure you would also, agree to that. It's
quite
it's
incredible.
crazy.
Are you allowed to?
आप लड़कों के साथ में कर सकते हैं, लड़कियों के साथ में नहीं. गाली देके बात कर सकते हैं.
और वॉशरूम ले जा सकते हो उन्हें.
So that's the difference. But are you like hugging and kissing? I know you hug and kiss
Yeah, he
Devansh
does,
quite
he does.
often.
I do, and I made a conscious effort to do that, to be very honest, because growing up, like yourself, you had a brother, right?
Yeah.
You have a brother.
Yes.
I had sisters.
Oh.
I'm the youngest. So with me, it was completely ulta because मेरे घर के अंदर dominance जो था वो लड़कियों का था. The female of the species is much more dominant than the males in our house. So mom, strong personality. Both my elder sisters, strong personalities. My dad, yeah, he had a personality which was कि एक बारी उन्होंने final अगर ना बोल दिया तो बस वो ना हो गया. But he always went with the flow. So kind of me being the youngest, it was कि हाँ मतलब I will just go with the flow. I know कि बाकी सब कुछ I don't have to take care of anything. I just have to be there, at the end of the day. But जब बच्चे हुए and I got 2 sons, the interesting thing was कि one of my sisters also has two boys. So she was like कि तेरा एक बच्चा हुआ ना, okay good. Now that the second one is there and वो भी बेटा है, now you going to become a referee. So all the very best. You're no longer a parent. You're going to be a referee all your life. क्योंकि दोनों के दोनों आएंगे, इसने ऐसा किया, उसने ऐसा किया, and तू सिर्फ बीच में फायर फाइटिंग करता रहेगा. Which is what
Which is what is
doing. मैं ऑफिस के अंदर रहता हूँ.
He does the referee work at work.
यहाँ निकाल रहा मतलब.
Okay, let's go back in time. How many years ago exactly you became a father, and so did you? How many years? Let's go to the first child.
My daughter is going to be 13 on the 21st.
My God, you are a 13-year-old father.
Yeah.
And Sitpaji,
14.
14-year-old father. Okay.
Around the same time.
Let's go back 1 year before that.
Okay.
So for you it's 14, for you it's 15.
Yes.
What has changed in the journey of life?
Okay, I have to listen. I have to say this.
Top 3 things.
I have to say this on record.
Yeah.
A guy never decides
that
he wants to be a dad. That's the woman in the family that decides that we want to have a baby. And आदमियों को उसके ऊपर कोई कंट्रोल नहीं होता. जहाँ बीवी ने डिसाइड कर लिया.
आदमी सोचता नहीं है. यहाँ से नहीं सोचता. से सोचता है वो.
जब बीवी ने डिसाइड कर लिया, hey, now is the time. आप कितना बोल लो कि यार probably we are not financially that stable.
Yeah.
Will we be able to raise a kid? हम लोग खुद दिमाग से भी बच्चे हैं, कहाँ से बच्चा पैदा करके बड़ा कर लेंगे उसे.
Yeah.
When they decide, it happens.
Okay.
So Ada, my elder one, उसके
Yeah.
होने से पहले, when my wife said, you know, it's time. So and I'm like, ये नहीं हो सकता. When the kid, boy or a girl doesn't matter, when they come to your life, everything changes. So जो लोग ये सोचते हैं ना कि शादी के बाद जिंदगी चेंज होगी ना, जिंदगी एक्चुअली चेंज होती है बच्चे होने के बाद. एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि आप कॉन्शियसली उसको चेंज करने की कोशिश करो, सब कॉन्शियसली वो ऑटोमेटिकली एवरीथिंग रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द किड्स एंड इन अ गुड वे. Like you want to be there for the kid, you want to skip a few things because you want to be there for the kid and you want to make them comfortable.
Absolutely. Just two things, if you can tell me, that changed after you became a father.
After I became a father.
Yeah.
So one of the first things that changed was I would have to say कि जहाँ पे पहले होता था ना, हम लोग कुछ भी अगर कर रहे थे, it was for us. Now it is for the kids. Like हम लोग बाहर जा रहे हैं and we are going for, let's say, a vacation. Right? It used to be ke we should look at things jahan pe we go, we party. And I think everybody is in that, right? We go, we party, we do stuff. 10
And
cheezein hum log
stay wherever.
stay wherever, go out when whatever time, come back whatever time.
Pack करके ले जाओ.
Exactly. And then once the kids come in, obviously everything it changes then according to
A kid-friendly destination, a kid-friendly vacation.
destination, a kid-friendly hotel, a kid-friendly activity, a kid-friendly how you are going to go from destination A to destination B. If you are going from a destination A to a destination B, what are the prerequisites? And the second thing which has changed after the baby is diapers. Dude, the first 2 years was diaper की दुकान. And हम लोगों ने
कितना हंसते हैं यार.
I swear, dude, and अलग-अलग colors के. मतलब it was just insane to see. So that was one thing which was, मतलब nobody teaches you. You just find out on the go, right? मतलब I'm talking about myself. हम लोग के टाइम पे या मेरी sisters के जब बच्चे हुए थे, they weren't using diapers, they were using nappies.
Yeah.
Back in the day. And वो जब हम लोग देखते थे, I was like, ये क्या है? ये ऐसे कैसे कर सकता है? And जब मेरे बच्चों ने करना शुरू किया तो
ये ऐसे भी कर सकता है, ऐसे भी कर सकता है.
अरे ये तो सबसे अच्छा है मेरा बच्चा, ओए ओए इसका तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है. I know it's the best feeling in the world and it's not. वो सब झूठ है. So yeah, those are the two things. Diapers, dude, हम लोग शुरू करते हैं कि सबसे ज्यादा we'll take the premium of products in the first month.
Yeah.
And by the end of 2 years, we're looking at कि कौन सा सबसे ज्यादा सस्ता, सबसे ज्यादा एक के अंदर 3 फ्री कहाँ पे आएगा, वो वाला मेरे को चाहिए. सस्ता, सुंदर एंड टिकाऊ, सबसे पतला भी चलेगा.
But can I add one thing? The one thing that changed in me, of course, because I come from Rajasthan and then lived in Delhi for so long, and as I said, me and my brother, respect for women. And मैं हमेशा ये बोलता हूँ that I am feminist, not because I want to say it, because I feel it. After having 2 daughters, and then I saw my wife going through. So my first one was cesarean, and the second one was a normal delivery.
How can that be possible?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
इसको मालूम होगा तो किसको कहा? Sorry, you तो are sure. No, but normally if the first one is
Yes.
cesarean, the second
Yes.
has to be
Yes,
cesarean.
That's what I'm saying.
Wow.
So I've seen my wife in both the phases, and I see my wife taking care of my mother-in-law and the way they are bonded. I think एक अलग ही level of respect आ जाता है, एक अलग ही level of understanding हो जाती है, especially when you have daughters in the family.
Yeah, similar thing happened with me because, you know, I've been surrounded by boys all my life. And when you see your wife who you dearly, truly love go through something like that, not because I have a daughter, but because she has gone through it, तो मेरी जो रिस्पेक्ट है obviously उसके लिए ही बढ़ गई और मेरी माँ के लिए 1000 गुना और बढ़ गई. मैंने इतना परेशान करा है. Sorry, मम्मी. Okay, let's talk about.
Sorry मम्मी.
अच्छा पापा
Great.
भी father भी बोल रहा साले.
हमारे दिन पे भी उसको सॉरी बोलोगे.
देख, सच्चाई सबको मालूम है किसने किसको ज्यादा परेशान करा, तो उन्होंने भी अपनी माओ की नाक में दम करके रखा था लड़की होने के बाद. Okay, so great segue into disciplining the child. Okay. Paji, let's start off with you. 3 things that you do to discipline Devansh and Garv.
2 लड़के. अपनी परछाई नजर आ रही है. अब बताओ.
Correct. Okay. First thing I would want to say, I would want to clarify कि it's not the perfect thing. ठीक है, जो भी कुछ मैंने किया है. Let me just put it out there. I have had my bad days. I have shouted on them. I have made sure that जब मेरे को
You're
बहुत
stopping yourself from saying कि मैंने उनको चपेट मारी है.
मैंने चपेट नहीं मारी है.
नहीं
That
मारी.
is a very conscious effort जो मेरी तरफ से रहा है कि I do not want to raise hand on a kid. So that is something which very consciously, क्योंकि हमको पढ़ी है इसलिए हमको मालूम है कि क्या होता है. एंड मॉम से पढ़ी है, बहुत बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ी
बहुत
है.
ज्यादा.
हम लोग को अलमारी के अंदर में भी बंद किया हुआ है. बट आई वुड से कि एक चीज जो मैंने सीखी है एंड दैट इज फ्रॉम माय डैड इज कि अगर डर है तो उससे भी काम हो सकता है. हर चीज के लिए हाथ उठाना जरूरी नहीं है.
अभी देवांश और गर्वे देख रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Please look at the camera and tell them something जिससे वो बना रहे.
Uh,
क्योंकि आपने आपका सीक्रेट रिवील कर दिया.
नहीं, but they know it. कि it's not every time that I will be off, yeah, I will have a problem, yeah, I will say anything. I always try and go back to वो होता है ना the first principle कि why is this happening? If I find that out, if they are irritated, if they are not understanding, if they don't know, yeah, I have to start repeating myself. I want to go back to the first principles and try and understand कि क्यों हो रहा है ये, which I have learned over the years. It's not happened
Overnight.
बेटियां पहले से एक्सप्रेसिव होती हैं,
हाँ.
especially with fathers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In my family, the good thing is both my daughters,
Ada and Rida.
Ada has largely taken after my wife in terms of her demeanor, in terms of her patience. मैं बहुत impatient था. My wife is very patient. उसका pain tolerance is immense. And that is how Ada is. And from a very young age, वो ना पता नहीं, और तेरे को भी ये चीज महसूस हो गया तरुण, बेटियां ना सेंस कर लेती हैं. Even if you're not saying something, she will sense that you're not okay. Man, I saw that video of yours where you're walking out of the house. The way.
Yeah.
How old is your daughter?
She's 10 months.
10 months.
No, I don't.
Baji,
Yeah.
वो दरवाजा बंद नहीं करने दे रही है कि पापा जा रहे हैं. She's holding the door.
Yeah.
That's what a daughter does.
Yeah.
तो मेरे साथ क्या हुआ कि मेरा कडली वडली तो बचपन से बेटियों के साथ चल रहा है. They are very expressive. मेरा ये है जहां ये बोलता है बच्चों को कि it's okay to cry. Mine is why are you crying all the time? Can you say something without crying? उनको पता है कि डैड के पास ऐसा पपी फेस लेके जाओ, ऐसे दो आंसू टपकाओ तो डैड तो सारे काम कर ही देंगे. तो मेरा उल्टा होता है. But yes, I totally agree in what he said.
Yeah.
I don't raise my voice also as much as I can. Of course, there are moments जब बच्चा नहीं सुनता है. And I totally agree. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बच्चों को आपके डर या पापा या फादर या डैड मारेंगे उस चीज की वजह से वो काम ना करें is not right. They should just know कि यार out of respect, exactly what I do for my family, for my parents, there are certain things that I would never want to do because I know that's going to break their heart. That's the kind of upbringing that I want to give to my daughters कि यार आप कोई चीज गलत करोगे, मैं तो बाद में react करूंगा, but I'll be upset. And I know that if I'm upset, they'll be upset about it. So that's the kind of upbringing.
Now, it's so different.
It is.
Because
very
when it comes to boys and girls, and it's so beautiful, both of your approaches
Yeah.
are so real and genuine that, you know, I'll take being a new father of a 10-month-old father. There is so much to learn, and you're right, Paji. It's all on the go.
Yeah.
It's all on the go.
Always.
Because with every person it's different. With
Yeah,
every parent,
Parent.
it's
Every
different.
child is
Every
different. There's
child
no
is
formula to it. I
There's
agree.
no formula.
But when it comes to individuality now, let's come to the next point. One thing, just one thing. Varun, will start with you this time. That you would want your like a value perhaps, or a moral or an ethic that you've been taught, you have seen, understood, observed, and learned from your parents that you would want to pass on to your kids.
Paji knows that every day I have to leave office come what may on Fridays before 1 and on any other weekday around 2 p.m. Come what may. Reason, my kids come back at home at about, on a weekday, Monday to Thursday at about 2:45, and on a Friday they come back home by 1:40. 1 घंटा पहले स्कूल छुट्टी हो जाती है. One thing that I realized much later in my life, when I used to come back, me and my brother used to come back from school, मेरे दादाजी, हम बाऊजी बोलते थे उन्हें, बाऊजी वुड ऑलवेज स्टैंड देयर, जबकि मेरा घर लिटरली तरुण यहाँ से जितना दीवार दूर है ना, इतना पास था, जहाँ में टेम्पो, हमारे जमाने में टेम्पो होता था, टेम्पो जहाँ उतारता था
वो जिसमें ऐसे आगे
yes, yes, yes.
मैं भी बैठा हूँ
Yes, वो वाला टेम्पो। नहीं बताओ, आधी जनता जो शायद ये देखेगी उनको भी पता नहीं होगा वो
और
वाला
उसको
टेम्पो
उसको
कैसे
भट
होता।
टेम्पो कहते थे, ऐसा कुछ कहते थे।
भटस्वर।
अब वो नहीं कह सकते, तभी तो मैंने हटाया था वो वर्ड, गांडू। सॉरी।
वाह, ये वाला वर्ड
अबे तो ये तो सब हटा के ना, अब उन्हें सुअर के बाद से लेके सब काट,
सारा बीप होगा ये।
उसको भट टेम्पो कहते थे यार।
बटूट टेम्पो।
हम लोग गणपति कहते थे उसको।
सो मैं जब उस टेम्पो से हम लोग उतरते थे, बाऊजी यूज्ड टू बी स्टैंडिंग देयर,
At the entrance of the house.
मतलब लिटरली वहां से 10-20 कदम दूर होगा घर से। उस समय ये रियलाइज नहीं हुआ आपको कि पता होता था कि बाऊजी खड़े होंगे, बाऊजी नहीं होंगे तो मॉम वुड कम एंड पिक अस अप। Much later in my life, when I moved away from my house, went out to study and all of that, I realized वो एक छोटा सा एक्शन एज अ पेरेंट, वो बच्चे के अंदर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस देता है ना कि व्हेन आई रीच होम देयर इज समवन देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ मी, दे आर नॉट अलोन। एंड तरुण,
Goosebumps आ गए।
you know, he's been living here, you've been living here
Yeah.
for so long, and I know so many families and kids who grew up in Dubai. They always tell me, the families, they tell me कि अरे बच्चे will learn, you know, they will learn अपने आप अपना काम करना, they will become independent. And I'm like, but I don't want them to be. I want them to just realize and feel that someone is always there to take care of them, and you're not alone in this new alien country for them because they've just recently moved in. And Rida, jo choti wali, she's just 8 years old. So that's one thing that I want them to feel, that, you know, the family is there. And that is something that I can say for my family, for my both mom, dad, and today's Father's Day. And I think this is one day to just, you know, remember all of us the kind of struggles that our fathers have gone through. You know, we always give credit to the mothers for the love and everything, but I think after becoming a father, तूने भी ये चीज realize करी होगी, that's the moment when you realize your father has done so many things and sacrificed so much. They were not there with you when you wanted them to be because your mom was there. He was working, you know, वो सुबह से शाम तक। हमारे टाइम पे तो फादर्स ही यूज्ड टू वर्क, यू नो, एक कॉर्पोरेट जॉब या जो भी। हमारी मॉम्स ने भी काम किया, बट हम लोग बहुत क्रेडिट माँ को देना चाहिए, बट वी टेंड टू फॉरगेट व्हाट फादर्स डू। सो आई वांट टू जस्ट मेक माय डॉटर्स फील दैट या योर फादर इज ऑलवेज विद यू।
Absolutely. What a beautiful. यार मेरी नजरों में इसकी इज्जत बढ़ गई थोड़ी सी, मालूम है?
ये पहले क्यों नहीं किया
मैं
तूने?
सोच रहा हूँ मेरे पापा है क्यों नहीं है, मेरे जैसा क्यों नहीं है।
Paji, one thing.
Okay. So for me, it's I'm guessing, not guessing, but I know for everybody it's family, right? Family comes first. So that is one thing which I always try and instill in both the boys. So it's always the family. कुछ भी अगर हम लोग कर रहे हैं, कहीं पे भी अगर हम लोग जा रहे हैं, कहीं पे भी अगर बातचीत कर रहे हैं, family, core family comes first. अगर कोर फैमिली के साथ साथ जो एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली है, नानके हैं, दादके हैं, मासी, बुआ, all of those, मामे and चाचे and all of those guys.
Such a Delhi dialect ना,
Yeah,
चाचे
yeah,
मामे।
yeah. चाचे मामे, ताए बुआ, ये all of those things, they are also family, right? So I have grown up in a joint family, and उसके बाद में dad and mom moved out and we had a nuclear family. But the one thing I realized was कि it matters a lot when the family is together.
Oh yes.
Unfortunately, for all of us who are here in Dubai, we are just taken and put in this place called Dubai, called UAE, and all of us are struggling, but all of us are making a mark in our own way. क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, we are all trying to figure it out, right? Nobody's got the perfect formula. Everybody is on the go, सब लोग समझ रहे हैं. The kids, they don't know कि उनका फैमिली क्या है, फैमिली हिस्ट्री क्या है, बेसिक्स क्या हैं, कि हमारे घर में कौन है, कौन नहीं है. So if I have to, for the lack of it, if I am taking care of, I'm not saying I'm taking care, but अगर हम लोग पैसे भी घर भेजते हैं, I want them to know कि हम पैसे क्यों भेज रहे हैं, you know, simple as that, कि I am looking after my parents. It's not कि I want to show them कि oh देख मैं कितना बड़ा, तेरा भाई, तेरा बाप कितना बड़ा है, क्या क्या कर रहा है, and all of those things. But they should know कि this is basics.
Yeah, these are
It's-
family values.
These are family values. These are things कि आप अगर रोज बात कर रहे हो घर पे, अगर दादी से या नानी से या दादा से या दादी से, it's normal. They should be talking. अगर दादी को इंग्लिश उसकी अच्छी नहीं है, वो पंजाबी में बात कर रही है, तुम बात कर रहे हो, you're trying to make them understand in their language, टूटी फूटी पंजाबी में या टूटी फूटी हिंदी में, it's fine, it's normal, but that will only happen when not once a month जाके आप इंडिया के अंदर जाके रह कर आओगे और उस टाइम पे ही सिर्फ बात हो. It has to be कि family comes first. Whatever I do with my family, I want to make sure कि they see what I am doing with, you know, not my family, so to speak, but with Ritu's family, with Nana's side, with Dada's side. So that kal ko, they also understand the value of the basics.
Yeah.
Peri pena. Now, it's not a big thing.
Yeah.
People don't, nahi bhi karoge to it's perfectly all right. It does not matter. You know, but it's just that मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है, दादी खुश हो जाएगी.
Yeah.
That's just the sentiment, right?
Yeah.
It's just that. And that's what we all live for, right?
Absolutely, yes. And it's so
just for the
beautifully
parents.
said. Yeah.
So-
Chalo. Now the last question. Because I know we are running out of time and there are people waiting outside. Another shoot happening here in the studios for
Another
Dad
father.
Talks. Another father. So one tip, just one piece of advice to a new father. What would that be?
What would that be?
Yeah.
ये तो मैं भी सुनना चाहता हूँ. ये मेरे सीनियर हो गए ना इस मामले में.
Okay, this was I will again go back to my sister जिसने मेरे को बताया था you'll be a referee. डर मत बिठाइयो कभी भी किसी भी चीज का to the kid. चाहे वो कॉकरोच का हो, चाहे वो लिजर्ड का हो, चाहे वो रोलर कोस्टर्स का हो, चाहे वो
नजर का हो.
चाहे वो किसी भी चीज का हो, वो जो चीज होती है ना, वो कहीं ना कहीं से वो डर जो है वो उनमें बैठता है फ्रॉम वन ऑफ द पेरेंट्स और वन ऑफ द फ्रेंड्स और वन ऑफ द पीपल हु आर इन देयर विसिनिटी. अगर तू उसको बोलेगा ना कि छिपकली है, जा ये ले चप्पल ले, मार उसको,
वो मार दे.
वो मार देगी बिकॉज शी इज अ किड. रोलर कोस्टर्स, अगर तू उसके साथ में आई रिमेंबर द टाइम जब आई यूज्ड टू गो ऑन रोलर कोस्टर्स क्योंकि आई वांटेड टू टेक द फ्राइट आउट ऑफ देवांश एंड गर्व. गर्व वाज टू स्मॉल. देवांश के साथ में अंदर से मेरी भी होती थी, फटी बड़ी होती थी.
क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं?
लेकिन आई नेवर यूज्ड टू शो बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट वांटेड टू कम आउट कि ये भाई नहीं कर सकता है. एंड नाउ फॉर्चुनेटली ही इज कि हाँ ठीक है, आई विल डू इट. नेवर से कि ये मत कर. ट्राई इट, देन टेक अ कॉल.
Okay.
Is what
Wow.
I have learned from
Oh, thank you
these
very much.
moments.
It's like creating the foundation of the way forward.
Yeah.
And Varun, because obviously you're senior to me, if you can please share one piece of advice as a father.
इसकी एडवाइस ने काम तो किया है
हाँ.
क्योंकि मैं इसके बच्चों के साथ गया हूँ
हाँ.
अम्यूजमेंट पार्क्स में
हाँ.
और वो गर्व जो इतना सा है ना वो ऐसे ऐसे रोलर कोस्टर में बैठता भाई. That has definitely worked. I
Thank you
can
so
vouch for
Thank
it.
you so much.
यार ब्रो मेरा सिंपल सा है, जैसा हमने पहले बोला, देयर इज नो ट्रिक, यू नो, जस्ट लव देम मैन. मेरा तो सिंपल है, आई हैव नो फॉर्मूला. माय पेरेंट्स वर वेरी काइंड टू मी एंड दिस कम्स एज अ सरप्राइज टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. मेरे डैड ने मेरे को कभी ऐसे भी नहीं मारा. मेरे घर में मेरे डैड ने कभी कोई बैड वर्ड्स अब्यूजिव्स यूज नहीं करे. आई कम फ्रॉम अ पंजाबी फैमिली, तो मेरे फैमिली में कभी बिटवीन माय पेरेंट्स एंड मी एंड माय ब्रदर कभी ऐसा हुआ नहीं. दैट इज वन थिंग. मेरे घर में मैं कभी कोई गलत लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल नहीं करता. बट अगेन देयर इज नो ट्रिक इज व्हाट आई फील. आई जस्ट वांट देम टू फील दैट दे आर लव्ड and they are free to do anything. In future maybe we'll get to know we were right or wrong. It's like a gamble. But yeah, best is go with the flow, man. Just love them. And you have a daughter, she's
Yeah.
so pretty, she's so expressive.
Yeah.
अभी 10 महीने की,
वही यार.
तो क्या उसको बोलेगा? कुछ नहीं बोल सकता.
तू कुछ
भाई
नहीं
तू
बोल
slave
सकता.
है.
तू कुछ नहीं बोल सकता. तू सिर्फ करेगा.
And the kind of person that you are, we know that you have so much love in you. Bro, I just want her to grow up. You know, सबसे ज़्यादा heartbreak कब हुआ तेरा? When she'll be like my daughter's age 12, 13 and she'll be like, Dada, don't kiss me in front of people. And then you'll be like, अबे तेरी टटिया धोई है मैं."
इसका आया पंजाबी बार finally. But thank you so much, you guys, for being a part of Dad Talks. Happy Father's Day to you.
Thank you,
आपको
man.
भी
Happy Father's Day to you and to all our fathers out there. As Varun rightly said कि हमेशा मम्मी को ज़्यादा क्रेडिट मिलता है, उनका दर्जा ऊपर होता है, and होना चाहिए because माँ माँ होती है. बट है ना, वो कहते हैं कि माँ बच्चे को पेट में 9 महीने के लिए रखती है, फादर जिंदगी भर रखता है. सो दिल में और कहाँ वाहियात आदमी, एंडिंग खराब कर दी गांडू.
और बटुए से सब कुछ पे करता है.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.